How to cancel auto payment on Spotify. So in this video, I will teach you how you can cancel your Spotify premium if you're ever subscribed to one. So to do that, just head over right here into your browser because on some cases, you won't be able to cancel it on your application. So on your browser, go over to open.spotify.com in order to see this. Now click onto this profile icon that you have, click onto this account, and you will be redirected to this next page. So in here, you can see the plan that you have. Under the account, you can see in here this. Click on this manage your subscription. And if you're subscribed for an account, you should be able to see this cancel plan option below this option right there. So make sure to just click onto the cancellation button and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to cancel your auto payment. And from in there, they will actually ask you some prompts for to actually stop you from unsubscribing, but once you're done, you should be able to not have a Spotify premium anymore. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.